Addison Rae style is iconic, but can I recreate it from my own wardrobe? Let's find out and see if you can do it too. Today we are getting into the style of Addison Rae. I don't know if you watched my fashion trend predictions for 2025, but in there I mentioned a few people that I think are going to be iconic for this year in fashion and that people are definitely going to take inspo from. One of those people was Addison Rae, so I thought it would be fun for this video to try and recreate some of her outfits and see, first of all, if I can do it with clothes from my own wardrobe. If clothes from my own wardrobe can give me celebrity style, then that's a win-win situation for me. But also just seeing what Addison wears, where her inspo comes from. I'll talk about all of that. If you've never seen me before, hi, thanks for clicking on, welcome. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I know that 90% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. I've said that so many times that I just know it by heart now. Click that little button, guys, just do it. It's worth it, I swear. So who is Addison Rae really? I've got the World Wide Web right in my hands, aka Wikipedia. Not the most reliable source, but for basic info, it usually works pretty well. Addison Rae is born on the 6th of October in the year 2000. An iconic year, I would say myself. She is an American social media personality, singer, and actress. She began to rise to her fame thanks to TikTok, where she now has like 88 million followers. I think she's one of the top 5 most followed people on TikTok. And then later now she's transitioned into also acting, since she was in a movie in 2021, He's All That. And she started making her own music, making her single Obsessed, Diet Pepsi, etc. And then she's also like collaborated, for example, with Charlie XCX on her Von Dutch remix. So she gained even more popularity, and she even has her own makeup brand, which I only literally just learned right now because I had no idea about that. So she's born and raised in Louisiana, but now she lives in LA, which you'll kind of see in the outfits that I'm recreating. LA isn't like a cold place. They don't really have a real winter, as I would call it. So some of these outfits are definitely not really something I could wear now in the weather that I'm currently having, but it makes sense for LA. So she has been on the rise for a while, and I think now more than ever. And I really think she's an inspirational person because she really shows that be true, be honest to yourself, and it will all work out. Don't try to be anybody else. She's had so much hate on TikTok for being cringy, being this and that, whatever, but she always stayed true to herself, and now people are switching. I mean, like, wait, actually she's iconic, she's amazing, she's so cool. But she's been true to herself this whole time. She didn't change or anything. It's just people that changed their minds. So remember to always be true to yourself. Before we get into the outfits, I recreated one of her makeup looks and I filmed a little bit whilst I was getting ready and doing that. So let's switch over to those clips. Addison who? I think it's actually quite fun with this like light eyeshadow vibe. I like it. Kind of giving Y2K. So makeup done, now we can get right into the outfits. So for the first outfit, we are recreating an iconic photo taken by the paparazzi where she is just walking down the street and reading a Britney Spears book. This photo got so much attention. It's kind of just like funny seeing walk and read and like, be an it girl. So I thought we had to recreate that one first. Black pair of ballerina shoes, little black skirt, pink top, and a book in your hands. Let's get into the outfit. Guys, I even did the little braids, and then I don't have the Britney Spears book, so I literally just picked up what I'm currently reading, which is A Little Life. It's supposed to be really good. Haven't come too far into it, but so far it's very nice. Now, since I didn't really have the same t-shirt as her, I still kind of wanted to do a little bit of that color blocking. So I put a little tank top underneath, just have a little white line and like have a little contrasting. I thought it looked cute together. I have a tiny mini bag, pink bag, black mini skirt, and then she's wearing black ballerinas, so I went with these like pointed toe slides kind of. They're super comfortable, and this is all about like you can recreate an outfit and still make it your style. You're just taking inspiration. So do I look like her walking? I don't even know how she was holding the bag, but like something like this. Do I look like her? I think the braids is really what's making it look like the picture, and obviously like the holding a book. Would I wear this out in winter? No, but maybe in summer or like a little spring vibe. I see the vibes. The outfit I'm wearing right now currently works so well with the weather that is outside of my window, which is cloudy and rainy. Let me show you what I'm wearing. A typical LA-esque outfit, I would like to say, because I never know when I could wear like shorts with a pair of boots and a long sleeve. In my head, like, it doesn't make sense, but like it does. This outfit also shows that like you can get inspiration from photos. You don't need to copy them exactly to the dot. So I'm wearing Adidas shorts, but mine are a little bit shorter and black instead of red. And then for my boots, I'm wearing like a pair of kind of cowboy boots vibe. And then I'm also wearing a white top like she is. Hers is a graphic tee. Hers is a graphic top, but I didn't have that in long sleeves. I could always just add a graphic tee on top of this, and then it will kind of look like a long sleeve graphic tee. Let me actually try that. I literally just grabbed the first graphic tee I could see that was white. So I have this like motorbike one. I feel like that kind of works. And then I just have a brown shoulder bag. She has one that has a little bit of a longer strap, but I think the vibes are still kind of the same. It's still like vintagey, thrifted vibes. I mean, this bag is literally thrifted, and so is this graphic tee. I'll make sure to link all my outfit details in the description down below. But this looks like her outfit. I would still say I preferred it without the graphic tee for my personal style. On to the next outfit. 1 second it's raining, another second it's snowing out here. And this is the only outfit that I found that was kind of winter-esque that I could wear here. And for this one, she was wearing her hair up in like a bun. Now what really makes this more wintry is the jacket. Would I freeze my butt off if I left the house like this? Yes. Do I live in LA though? No, so that's obviously why. I love this outfit though. I went with a little bit darker jeans than hers. I thought it would look even cuter and once again more suited towards my personal style. And then she's wearing a tank top, but I actually have this really similar looking top that's a long sleeve. And what I really like about this long sleeve too is that it has these thumb holes, which also like keeps you warm, but I love like a little detail like that. And then we have the red bag. On my red bag I have a little Miffy keychain that I got from Hema. They had like a whole Miffy collection come out or whatever. I was randomly there, so I was like, I need to get that. Also in the photo, no shoes, but I just have this tiny kitten heel that's denim, so I thought that would work well with the jeans. Super easy to recreate too. Now for more of a night out, evening, event vibe, I went with this photo to recreate, but instead of wearing a skirt, I'm wearing some red pants. because that's what I had. I didn't have a red skirt, but I did have some red trousers. Now in the photo, she's also wearing kitten heels that are red like her skirt, but I don't have any red heels, so I went with the denim kitten heels again. Put my hair up in a little ponytail. Her tank top is like a graphic tank top, kind of giving vintage vibes. Don't have a graphic tank top, so I went with a plain white one. And then I have a red bag. I decided to go with another red bag, so it's not the same as the other outfit, which this one is thrifted, and I barely wear it, but I really want to wear it more because I think it's really cute. It's a very pretty bag. Just need to find the outfits for it. Maybe this is one of them. But like, once again, like, I'm recreating a look that I don't know if she went out for dinner or if it was like more of an official event. And even that, I can recreate that and make it way more casual into something that you can just wear every day. And that's why I love recreating outfits. It also just makes my life so much easier. Then I don't need to think about creating an outfit all just from my head. I can just look at a photo and be like, okay, I like that in the outfit. I have this that is similar. It's that easy. I feel like I really went all out with this one. The little braids, sunnies, red bag again. She seems to always be wearing a red bag. Maybe that's her thing. Very cute though. I like the little pop of color again. A neutral outfit. This one is also definitely giving more old money aesthetic vibes. I don't know. Just like a little navy jumper, white mini skirt, and some ballerina shoes again. Very comfortable, I must say. And like little braids to switch it up a little bit. I really like sometimes when I'm getting bored of my outfits, I'll switch out my hairstyle, because I feel like that's what like really makes a difference, is changing another part of your outfit, like your hair, maybe your makeup. Now like my makeup is a lot more different from what I usually do. So yeah, and I also love navy blue and red together. I'm loving this color combo. I'm so here for this. I feel like I would want to wear this to, like, I don't know, the library. This feels like I'm going to the library outfit to read a book and be intelligent. Where does Addison Rae get her style inspo from? I would say most of her style inspo is definitely the whole Y2K and early 2000s era, like the low-rise jeans, the vintage graphic tees that we talked about already, and like more playful accessories. And then I think her style also comes from collaborating with known stylists. By working with stylists, for example, like La Roche, I think it also has introduced Addison to more high-end and high fashion pieces and really encouraged her to take bold fashion risks, so that she really has been like elevating her style on red carpets and in like public appearances. Then if you go back a little bit on the point of vintage fashion, I think that plus like archival pieces. Recently she did like a red carpet where she wore an archival piece from Madonna, I think it was, which was super cool. Really wearing these vintage designs from iconic fashion houses that are a bit more timeless than her other parts of her fashion style, and it really just adds like some elegance to her outfits. And then I think she also is inspired probably by pop culture and music icons, once again more like 2000s era. I want to say like Britney Spears, since she was reading the book, and I think her style kind of is a little bit similar to Britney Spears. Then we have also like Lady Gaga, Christina Aguilera, and Madonna maybe too. So I really think her fashion style, in a short summary, like long story short, is Y2K, early 2000s, iconic pop music stars. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what other celebrity I should recreate outfits from. I hope this video taught you that you can find clothes in your closet where you can recreate outfits from celebrities. Celebrity style is already in your closet. You just need to look for it a little bit. Also, I think this video taught me that I should play a little bit more with makeup because I really like this eyeshadow look. So I kind of want to, you know, do the pre-shower makeup that everybody talks about. Before you shower, you can always do like a crazy makeup look because you're anyways just about to wash it off. So I think I need to try more, just playing with my makeup a little bit more. Anyways, let me know who you think is a style icon, celebrity, or influencer in the comments down below. And with that said, I will see you in my next video. Bye!